Our task is to rewrite each of these three exponential expressions as an equivalent expression using a single base and exponent. Let's start with the first one. We have 2 factors of 4 multiplied by 3 factors of 2. I'm going to color code the 2 factors of 4 as blue and the 3 factors of 2 as pink. In blue, we've got those 2 factors of 4. I'm going to expand that out as 4 times 4. Next, in pink, we have 3 factors of 2. I'm going to expand that as 2 times 2 times 2. So far, we've just expanded the expression. Our goal is to write them as a single base and an exponent. To do this, we need all of our factors to match. Is there another way to write 4 using factors of 2? It turns out we can write 4 as 2 times 2. Altogether, you'll notice that we have a total of 7 factors of 2. This will be 2 to the 7th power. Let's look at the second one. We start with 3 factors of 2 multiplied by 3 factors of 3. Again, I'm going to start by expanding this out. We have 2 times 2 times 2 followed by 3 times 3 times 3. This expression is a little bit different. For example, there's no way to write 3 using factors of 2, so we'll have to be a little bit more creative. We can take advantage of the commutative property of multiplication and write this expression a slightly different way. What about 2 times 3 times 2 times 3 times 2 times 3? It's the exact same factors, but I've changed the order up a little bit. Now let's take a second look. What if I combine 2 times 3 to make 6, 2 times 3 to make 6 again, and 2 times 3 to make a third factor of 6? This would give me 6 times 6 times 6, or just 6 to the 3rd power. Now let's look at the last one. This one's a little bit different because unlike the other expressions, I have addition between 2 terms. I'll need to be careful and make sure that I'm following order of operations. Let's start by expanding the expression. Now, unlike last time, I can't exactly multiply all of these factors together. I have to multiply 2 times 2 times 2, which is 8. I have to keep the addition, and then I have to multiply 3 times 3 times 3, which makes 27. I certainly can add the 8 and the 27 to get 35. It turns out that 35 does have an exponent. It's understood to be 1. So I actually have accomplished our goal. We have a single base and a single exponent for all 3 expressions.